Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have something from ASUS. This is an ROG Phone 3 with a broken display, and it's also not charging. Let's go! So first off, we're going to remove the back cover on this ROG Phone 3. And if you're following the channel, this is kind of like our 5th ROG Phone 3 that we have fixed. So David will find it easier this time to fix this unit. And because it's our 5th unit, and maybe this is not the first time that this smartphone has been opened, the back cover just comes off pretty easily, and no thick adhesive residue on the side. So we're gonna unscrew this and remove the heatsink first. This one, you can see that there's some thermal paste for the CPU and GPU, and this is the motherboard shroud. You can see the battery in the center and the camera on top of it. We're gonna detach all the cables that are attached on top of the board, and then we're gonna remove the front camera, some more screws, and we're gonna remove the back or main camera as well. This is the main camera. And now we're safe to remove this antenna cable, and then we can lift the main board. The main board is one piece, very fragile looking, and we're gonna remove the old broken display. So we're gonna slowly pry it between the glass and the chassis, just slowly doing it. And again, it's easier, which means that this smartphone has not been has been opened before, and the adhesive not so much, but we're gonna fix it with fresh liquid glue this time. So David is doing this without even testing if it works, because there's no way for us to test the new display. We can't attach it without reassembling the whole thing first. So that's what we're gonna do. And we have seen that on the first part of diagnostics that the smartphone is not even charging or turning on, which is kind of worrying. David knows what he's doing, and we're gonna trust his gut. Now it's attached. We're gonna reassemble the whole thing now, reverse the process. So while we're doing this, if you have an ROG Phone 3 lying around in your house, or you really badly need the repair because that's your only phone, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Or if you don't have the time to go here, or you don't have a local repair shop near you that can fix this, you can mail in your broken smartphone, send it through the post, we receive it, we perform the necessary fix. Once we're done, we're gonna message you and send it back to you. It's pretty good, right? Pretty good deal. We're now gonna install the cameras and screwing it in manually. Cables. The level of difficulty for this repair is kind of advanced. If you don't know how to remove the motherboard, you can actually damage it or break it. So if you don't have any experience opening even like an iPhone 6 or a Samsung entry-level smartphone, then you might want to skip the DIY approach on the ROG phone 3. So go to your local repair center or approach your friend who knows more about fixing smartphones than you, so you don't totally brick your smartphone. Still low power. We're gonna charge it. Most likely, smartphones that are damaged has not been charged for like weeks, which can be the case for this one. So after letting it sit on the charger for quite some time, this one is now okay. We're gonna test it later on. We're just gonna put the back cover and then rubber band so we can sit the new replacement display and let the glue cure on the right spots. So here, rubber band's just temporary. And let's see how it turns on. Right there, 5%. It really needs a lot of time to wake that battery up, and of course, in return, wake the phone back up. Booting sequence is good. Touchscreen is responsive. We're not gonna show you the combination of the lock screen. Cameras are good. And I think David has done a good job on this one. Another ROG Phone 3 successfully fixed. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Until next time, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.